I'm walking down to check on things. Over the last 6 months, we've had some very, very unusual high winds, which is not normal for this region of the country. Matter of fact, I can remember a time many years ago, we would have given anything in Fairbanks just to have had a breeze blowing. Very little wind. And we have been told that it's because of the clearing of the land. And that's why the winds are increasing. Oh well. The official narrative. I see we have a tree down. And probably we'll have more down by this time tomorrow. Of course, it's fairly late right now. It's about 10 p.m. And I just came down to make sure nothing had blown away.
Still standing or no?
Michelle's work tent is still standing. It's still here. Everything seems to be here. The trees are kind of protecting things.
Okay, good.
And on my way back, the rain begins to fall. So we needed the water. We just did not need the wind. But I'll tell you right now, the one good thing about this wind is it keeps the mosquitoes completely blown away.